Hi Mike, just want to do a quick video showing you the status of the tower. It's here, it's very beautiful, it's unfinished. The doors are on the hinges. I need to make the hanger boards, and the drawers are all done. See the dovetails, but I have to do the velvet and the dividers. I have the brass pulls and the hangers. I have to add the magnets to the doors, and that would be it. I'm going to do a quick walk around here just so you see all sides of it. And that's it. I'll send you this video real quick and we can take it from there.